In this video, I'm going to present a few ways how you can fix the issue if your Roomba i3 is not connecting, and how you can do it also the factory reset, possibly even not charging. So this can fix many issues. So the first thing that you can try to do is just want to press and hold the clean button for about 20 seconds. So start with that. So you're going to press and hold the clean button for about 20 seconds. It's going to reboot the system. Maybe this is going to fix the issue for the connecting and also for the charging. The next thing that you can try to do, if this is not going to work, you just want to press the home button, the clean button, and the spot button. You want to press and hold it at the same time, and maybe this is going to work. So you want to have it, and then just press the home, clean, and like the last button, the spot button, at the same time, press and hold for about 20 seconds, and you can repeat the process for like 2-3 times. So I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value on what you can do and how you can fix this issue. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.